She said, hell no.
Soldier boy.
The man gave his also known as at his wedding. Soldier boy. YouTube Wagwan, man, you know it's your boy Click, and you're tuning into Click React. Today we're going to be looking at some of the top, or I would say most cringe moments of 90 Day Fiancé. If you guys watch that show, you know that it's almost impossible to believe that the stuff that these people are doing is real. Like, for the most part, I think they're actors, like paid actors, legit, you know what I mean? But that's what we're looking at today, guys. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and tell me which one of these moments is the funniest one to you guys. We're just going to get right into it. I'll see you guys later, man. Peace. Ooh.
Pat.
Well, if you can't talk peacefully, then you can.
Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa.
This button beat it.
Does it work?
Yeah. Hey.
Oh, shit, bro. How did you do that with the bidet?
What are you doing?
Do you use it?
Ew.
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah. Why?
The toilet, what?
So clean.
Wait, where does that water come from in a bidet, right? Like, have we ever thought about that? Like, it's not, is it ran outside of the toilet? I hope that's not toilet water.
I don't know American style, but bidet is very, very cool. After you put bidet, clean your ass. So
Okay,
you
bud.
don't need.
Honestly, I don't think I've ever seen
you
this
have
couple.
Natural and
Oh, what?
I'm not doing that.
Wait, what did this man just say, bro?
Why?
I don't want water going up my ass.
Feels good. My whole family animal is so clean.
Bro, look how serious he is. He's like, oh, my whole family is like, he's like shocked that she's like not buying into this.
You will repeat after me.
Okay.
I remember this shit.
I,
I.
She said, hell no.
Soldier boy.
The man gave his also known as at his wedding.
take you.
Soldier boy. It's actually funny, bro. Like, can you imagine?
Do take you.
Hi,
Your name?
Lisa.
Do take you.
Do take you, Usman Umar.
Soldier
To be
boys.
married.
No soldier?
Digo que ya nos vamos a ir. ¿Te vas a poner contenta? Pues ya nos vamos a ir, bebé. Sí, ya. Vamos a ir en 2 semanas a vivir con el Kenny ya. Ya tenemos la casita y tu cuarto solita.
Cuéntame, ¿qué sientes que te vas a ir a vivir con el Kenny?
Lo quiero mucho y juega conmigo y es bien bueno y me regala juguetes.
She's there for the toys, man.
And that's one of the things.
She's here for the toys. That little kid is not playing. She's not here for any of your love and shit like that. She's here for the toys, man.
The doctor said I was a good candidate. She is young, so it's really dependent on the woman. Once you have the vasectomy.
I mean, if you know to play like a, if you're 60 years old.
Oh shit.
It's 1 year, go play.
Earlier talking about infertility issues. Can you not do that?
I wasn't giving you the finger. I was just pointing at him. They need him.
Oh, if they need him, they're gonna tell him.
Oh
Wait,
shit.
what?
No, I was just mentioning it, but don't give me the finger. I'm not doing anything
Yeah, I'm
to
gonna
you.
give you the finger.
No, I'm not
For
doing it. I'm
what?
actually looking at him to point and that someone is calling you. Don't be rude. Because I'm
Oh,
not
you're
doing
telling me to not be rude? Look
whatever.
at the pot calling the kettle. Can you shut up?
I don't think she finished that saying. Yeah, that came out of nowhere. I think you know what happens sometimes. People get like embarrassed that they misread what was happening, and you know they react rudely.
Shut up. Don't give me the damn finger. What's wrong with you? I'm not doing anything to you. I was just pointing at him that someone is calling him.
Wait a minute. What just happened?
Exactly.
I was just trying. No, it's just someone was calling George, and I was trying to be nice to tell George, and the other girl just give me the damn finger. Like, seriously? Come on, girl, behave.
That girl is a spoiled girl.
You're gonna tell me to behave?
Oh,
You should have
whatever.
behaved
Oh wait, what?
last season.
Just start with the head.
Oh
What?
You're gonna try to hit me?
I am.
Oh, try.
And
I
are
mean,
you getting this all in
if you why did she get up to go stand over? If you're gonna hit her, bro. I hate when people do shit like that.
all in one?
I think a person's got to be careful in spending too much. You know, like you say, you have family back home.
75K on plastic surgery. That shit is so expensive, bro. Holy.
You also can give them a little bit.
Everything that I'm doing for my kids.
Plastic surgery? For your kids? Since
I
when?
send money to my daughter.
Oh, okay, okay.
What are your thoughts on her kids?
Yeah, why you think that you have to talk about my kids?
Because this is the subject about kids.
But I don't talk about your kids. Don't talk about mine. Stop to below.
Honestly, obviously, English is not her first language, but I feel like it's the same thing even with Jamaicans when just the translation, it makes things sound so much funnier. I don't know why.
Okay, the subject is about kids. You have 3 kids, and you're sitting in the US, you're doing surgery on your face.
Yeah.
And we're talking about kids.
Okay.
So, are you gonna help your youths?
What else you say about my kids?
Okay, you're cursing right now. Stop a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
That's not gonna last forever, you know. You'll have to change that every couple of years.
Bro, this guy is killing me, fam. Look at this man's face.
I don't talk to you. I refuse to talk to you.
Man's like, yo, finally somebody saying something.
Talk with her in months.
Probably happier, right?
Oh yeah, I'm totally happy. I love going through a divorce. I love going through the stress and drama.
That's the very way you be happy. Get divorced.
Yo, she did not want to be there.
What's the matter? What's the matter? I said the truth.
Pedro.
Pedro, what's wrong with Pedro?
I say, see, one day.
We're not getting a divorce. Don't
say,
even
see, one
joke
day.
about it.
Well, love is not enough. I've learned that the hard way.
Is
Oh
it?
my
Is
God.
It not?
Nope.
Why? Is it because you love your mama more than your ex-wife?
Wait, what?
I love my mother. I take care of her. I'm the only family that she has, and I'll support her. And I hope to God that one day, if one of your parents needs you, you'll do the same. So please shut the up.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo, why is this girl? This is what I'm saying. Like, if you have your girlfriend beside you and a man and his girlfriend is there and his girl is attacking you, you can't really attack that lady. You know what I'm saying? Your girlfriend should jump in at that point because you're gonna look like you're fucking, you know, hammering down on this girl.
No. Come on, Pedro.
Pedro, shut the fuck up, bro.
No, one second.
But when you marry somebody, you're supposed to leave and cleave to your wife.
Chantel, you don't know.
Pedro. Pedro, do something.
Pedro! You can't break guy code.
Okay.
Oh, they about to have a powwow right now. No! They about to have a powwow right now.
And they feel bad for her. At the same time, they're friends with him.
I want to hear. Had any information on what's going on?
Bro, is this guy sitting up right now? I don't know.
You breaking! He cracking into the prison. Right. He can't handle it. See, she putting the eyes on him. She put them cold blue eyes on him.
She do look a little scary.
You guys gotta understand how much money and time and like stuff that I've obviously invested. You know?
Come on. Tell her she's gonna cry.
Don't cry. If she cry, he gonna tell. I'll tell you everything. I'm sorry. I'll tell you everything.
He was in here, and I was allowed
Oh,
to
he's
get
telling.
a couple tattoos, and he disrespected my barbershop.
Wait, what?
He took somebody in the bathroom while he was supposed to be tatting, and there was customers in here.
What
Lost
do you
my
mean
cool.
he took someone?
We were in here working. And
Oh, this nigga snitch.
And all of a sudden, it got quiet, and we didn't know what was going on. And someone wanted to use the bathroom. And he's like, "Hold up."
He went and had sex with someone and your mother?
Oh.
Bro, that is so fucked. That nigga should get slapped in his face.
What?
Why would you
Yes.
snitch like that?
Oh my God. Are you kidding
And he's
me,
showing
dude?
evidence.
Oh. Ay.
That's fucked.
What the? What?
That is so fucked.
That's ridiculous.
Yo, this fat guy's killing me.
Hold on. Rewind that, Jay. Rewind that.
You're such a tiny little dog.
Oh my god, this guy?
Big Ed and Tiny Ted.
Big Ed is just a hell of a
Husband told me
character.
that he was an entertainer, rapper, and celebrity in his home state. And he
And
goes by
Soulja
the
Boy's
name
wife.
Soulja Boy.
Yeah.
Soldier Boy. Ah.
This past Valentine's Day, husband proved why I'm the one when he wrote a song for me.
Honestly, Bomba
You know, anytime I talk to you on phone, I always
Hold on, who? Pretty girl, who?
tell you that I love you. Listen to the auto tuning and those moves.
Oh, he'll pray.
Honestly, I feel like Soldier Boy should sue him because this is fucking bullshit.
Yeah.
This is fucking bullshit.
Song for her, and he give her a sexy boom boom dancing.
What the fuck is that?
Now we are ready to go to the airport, but please
Stop at the ATM.
Stop.
I need some money.
Bomba. They knew.
I told you.
I don't know how that fucking can sit up straight.
Just kidding.
Oh, she was joking.
Well, clearly lying has been a theme throughout this relationship. Jess caught you sending pictures of yourself to other women while she was visiting you in Las Vegas.
Okay.
80 girls sent to me a screenshot.
What?
Oh, because of this, my you.
So clean my ass.
Yo,